I got 2 words for you.
Yield return. What feelings does that bring up for you? Kinda scary, right? Well, at least I'm always a bit cautious when it comes to using yield return in C#, because, if you're not careful, such methods can cause some strange side effects. And recently I came across another finding that sounds quite logical, but I had never really thought about it. I'll show you what I mean. Let's take a look at my Visual Studio project here. It's a simple C# console application project, and I have this method here that returns an IEnumerable of strings. And as you can see, in this method I return 4 strings, and at the end I write the word finished to the console. In the main method I call the method and iterate over the enumerable and write each element of it to the console. So what is the output of this little application? You guessed it, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then finished. All good. If we add a toList link call to the resulting enumerable, the result will be finished and then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's because in this case, the toList method iterates to the end, collects all the items, writes finished to the console, and then iterates through the list. That's fine too. But what happens if we do not iterate over the elements of the enumerable, but call first instead? Let's see. The result is that only the word 1 is written to the console. We don't see the word finished. And it's actually pretty obvious why this happens. The first method fetches the first element of the enumerable, so we get to that first yield return statement. But after that, no one advances the enumerable, so we never reach the end of the method, and the word finished is never written to the console. When might this be important? Well, imagine you need to free some resources at the end of your method. In the example shown, this code would never be reached. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. We just need to wrap all of the yield return statements in a try block and then make a finally block where we put the console writeLine statement. And when we try it again, we see that the word finished is also written to the output, so it works perfectly. So this is pretty easy to solve, but you have to understand the problem and be careful in general when working with yield return and C# methods. So how about you? Did you already know this, or is this new information for you? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more C# videos from me, check out my playlist. Thanks for watching this video, bye!